Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. Yes, I'm sitting in a different setting because my children are studying outside and online where I normally record. So I'm sitting inside my bedroom today and recording. So let's start with Taurus. Taurus, March 2021. I think you'll have stopped liking me, okay? Please go and like my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe. Y'all are just watching, not subscribing. That's not fair. I've been working so hard to make videos for y'all, right? So let's start with Taurus, March 2021. Jupiter energy, a lot of Jupiter energy. Okay. Let's see. High Priest. I see Taurus, you are in a lot of balancing mode, expanding mode, because I see a lot of Jupiter energy, because Jupiter is normally about expansion. So you all are, thinking of expanding maybe your business or maybe expansion of your friend circle, something about expansion, okay? You all are trying to build your empire. That is exactly what is going on in your mind. The first week of March. The first week of March is a lot of energy around culture, maybe government, maybe you're into politics, maybe you're into some kind of a government job, if you're into a lot of cultural activities or maybe doing something socially in your own culture or different cultures, or trying to create some kind of cultural activity. That is one of the message that is coming to me for first week of March, Taurus. There is a lot of energy where you will be very connected spiritually first. Also maybe for few you might find your guru or you might find your teacher the first week of March. Second thing, I feel that there is a lot of government or maybe cultural activities happening in the first week. People who are doing business where they are connected to politics or maybe government activities, yes, it's a good time for them the first week. Also, there is a lot of maybe you all will visit some kind of pilgrimage, or maybe you will visit some kind of guru or teacher where you will be learning a lot of spiritual sciences. This is for people who are interested in them. So a lot of cultural activities going on the second week is all about, sometimes things that we want in our life, in our workspace, maybe business, job, whatever you're doing for a living. We try to win the situation at any cost. Maybe you are healing yourself, maybe you are getting into culture, maybe you are connecting spiritually, maybe you're expanding yourself, in your finances, in your work. But one thing, remember, Taurus, you are going to win this war, whatever you're trying to do in the second week of March. However, the victory is going to be empty. I'll tell you why. Because don't try to win over people, try to win over your work. Because if you're trying to win over people and trying to satisfy your ego, it is going to be, you are going to win for sure. Taurians are very like a bull, but eventually you're going to feel bad with this victory. Why? Because it is going to give you a lot of guilt. So be careful of hurting someone and winning in the second week of March. That's a warning I will give Taurians. As you all know, I'm a very straightforward reader. I don't sugarcoat anything. The victory is yours, Taurus. But that victory, don't feel guilty later on that you hurt people. Right? The second week will get you victory in whatever you're doing. The third week, there's a lot of energy of people coming together, friends coming together, colleagues coming together, with each other, helping out each other build. Lot of celebration, lot of party, lot of meeting, gatherings, sort of a thing. The third week, maybe your office is having a party. Maybe you'll be meeting people in business, in a party, something like that. There's a lot of celebration, party energy in the third week. And in the fourth week, you're going to get into your confusion, maybe illusion. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll do one more card. A lot of transformation time in your status, where you are going to maybe get into illusion or confusion, where you want everything in your life, you want a big life, and that transformation is coming to you in the fourth week, Taurus. That status that you've been waiting for. Okay, in the fourth week you will be having that kind of achievement. This illusion and this dreaming, maybe you have a lot of big dreams. Those dreams will come true in the fourth week. Whatever you have thought about your status and your money, definitely there is a transformation, big transformation. And that big transformation is coming to you in the fourth week of March, which is going to be very beneficial for you. Do not feel that, when good things come to you, sometimes something triggers. What triggers? Do I deserve it? That doubt. Do not get into that doubt, because things are happening for you in the fourth week. There is a very big transformation coming. Some people might just achieve what they want, some people might even lose. Remember these words, few of you might lose on something that they were hoping to have, like a relationship. I feel there's more loss in the relationship area and gain in the work area. Okay. Yes, the first week will be more of cultural, second week will be winning, third week will be a lot of party, colleagues, friends, business associates, and the fourth week will give you what you want, but with a little loss, maybe in a relationship area. Okay, so yes, fairly good month. Just balance yourself well, Taurus, because that is only going to help you. Now let's see what we have in relationship area. Okay. Relationship area, Taurus. March 2021. Wow, throat chakra energy. Very, very, very strong throat chakra energy. I also associate throat chakra energy with Rahu planet somehow. I don't know why. Although it should be Mercury, because it's the planet of communication, but I feel is a lot of people who have blocked throat chakras normally suffer a lot of trust issues. So, in your relationship, Taurus, I feel that you need to keep faith first thing. There's a lot of trust issue because there is a blocked throat chakra. Blocked throat chakra means you haven't communicated your feelings. Then how will a relationship go forward? Not right now. Your partner has to know how you feel. You have to trust to take a step towards someone. Okay? And now this effort is being taken by you, because there is building, dedication. It's coming from your side. You have to be dedicated, and giving and receiving means only if you give you will receive. If you don't give, you will not receive. So in your relationship, if you're taking a step, it is happening. If you're not taking a step, it's not happening. But in the month of March, if you're clearing out these two chakras, your throat and your crown. See, crown chakra is again faith, and throat again is trust. So basically, it's your trust and faith that is blocking from this relationship to happen. Or maybe if you are in a relationship, your relationship is not getting better because of your faith and your trust issues. And then that is coming together, because you are going to clear your throat chakra and crown chakra, because now you know about it. So there is a lot of beautiful coming together energy with someone you really love, or maybe somebody whom you've been separated from, or if you're in a relationship, it will get better. Just work on these two things. And of course, taking a step towards your partner. That is very important. Okay, now let's see what fairies have to tell you, what message they have. I haven't come live on YouTube since such a long time. I want to. Okay. get some exercise. Maybe Taurians, you all are not exercising enough, or maybe you all need to get into some kind of yoga, tai chi, something like that. As your body becomes stronger, you begin to feel stronger in all ways. So maybe you all are not taking care of yourself. You all are not just bothered about your physical self. Maybe we sometimes eat good food, diet, and everything. We're not exercising enough. So please exercise, take walks, do yoga. I truly believe in Surya Namaskar. Doing Surya Namaskar really clears out a lot of bad energies. So please do Surya Namaskar. Please do a lot of exercising. Taurus, as it's coming from the fairies and angels, so it really means something, right? So you need to work on that. Okay, that's all for today. And do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon and share it with family and friends. You all are just watching, not subscribing, not fair. And do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I put a lot over there too. And email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye. Bye.